Can you tell us what you do in terms of processing data in your workplace?
Yeah, I work with primarily with tools like SSIS, SQL, lots of SQL, lots of SSIS, Power BI as well, and most recently, looks like I'm gonna have to be doing a little bit of SSRS. Not my favorite, but in terms of the data, a lot of what I do is focused on a lot of automation. So, hey, they may go like, hey, Kiba, we have this data that we pull every Wednesday, but instead of the team pulling this data manually or trying to come up with their own calculations, their own Excel sheets, what I want you to do is to come up with a report that's going to go out to them every Wednesday morning or every Thursday or whatever day, with this data. So in the back end, I go and I figure out where the heck this data needs to come from, work with the end users to try to figure out, hey, here's, my initial, what my initial deliverable to you will look like. Is this something that, is meeting your needs? If not, go back to the drawing board, make tweaks until so literally all the way starting from sourcing the data, Ethan, all the way to actually presenting the data in the form of whether it's a Power BI app or a dashboard or whatever the case may be. That's at the core of what I do.
Thank you.